Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. If you've got a problem with your brake calipers on your V-brake system where one side is moving and the other is moving not so much, just like this one, when you brake, here is the solution. You have spring tension on both sides. In this case, it means this caliper hasn't got enough tension and the other one has too much tension. And the way to test that is, if you put your finger or just hold on to the most springy side, we'll see if this one springs out even more. Here we go. There we go, it's back to normal, letting go, it's not really doing very much. Again, stopping the springing on this opposite side transfers the power to that side. So we know there's no issue with the caliper arm, it's not seized up or anything at the pivot point. What we need to do is to increase the tension this side, reduce it the other. And this is how we do it. This is a tension screw, it's nearly always a Phillips or crosshead screw head. If we turn this about a quarter turn, that will increase the tension this side, and then if we reduce the tension on the other side, it helps if I came on this side so I can see, off camera, just reduce that tension by going anti-clockwise a quarter turn, we should see a difference. Let's have a look. There we go. That is tension evened up and things are moving just as they should. And there we go. It's as simple as that. Guys, don't worry about going to a mechanic. Don't spend hundreds of pounds keeping your bikes on the road. You can do it yourself. This took just a screwdriver and about 60 seconds. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.